No spin throwing 101. Your grip. Basically, you find your grip as you go. You can hold it. The way I grip it is place the knife in my hand, like so. Index finger on the back end of the blade, and I kind of pinch it like this. Not really a grip, it's more pinch. So my index finger is on the back. When I throw, I'll draw it back, and then my release is about right here. I'll start letting it slide out. So when you actually release the knife, it's going to be about like that. And your push is with your index finger. You drag, as you're releasing the knife completely, you drag your index finger down the handle all the way to the end, and as it's in flight, it straightens out and sticks in your target. If you're right-handed, put your left foot in front of you, or your left foot. I'm retarded today. Put your left foot in front of you. You want to draw the knife back, and then release is here. So like I said, you're going to release here, it's going to slide out, and you're just going to drag your finger down the end of the knife and let it ride out to the target. When I was starting out no spin throwing, I was having difficulty throwing and sticking it into a target that was about, eye level. So how I started out was just sticking it into the ground first. So, for example, stand left foot forward if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, you stand with your right foot forward. But right-handed, so I'll stand with my left foot forward. And you're just going to pick a spot. It's 2 feet in front of you. Throw, stick. Pretty easy. Once you get that down, once you can consecutively stick 2 feet in front of you, go ahead and add another 2 feet. Say, 2 feet from that spot. Throw, stick. So, once you get proficient at that distance, then you go a little further, and you can throw, stick. Now, once you get to that point, you can start bringing it up to a target. Just sticking it into the ground at, small increment distances. You can bring it up to a target. Now, I'm going to be standing maybe 6 foot from the target, and what you'll notice is it's all the power's in my arm and my wrist when I'm throwing from this distance. I don't have to put my body into it or anything. So when you throw, pinch grip, like I showed you, and then throw, stick. It's all in your shoulder and arm and wrist. Goes out. Now, talk about how to compensate for greater distances is your release time. For this, I'm releasing at about here because it's fairly close distance. Once I step back a few feet, I'll release further or earlier. About here, I'll release. It just gives enough time between the target and wherever you're standing for the knife to turn and stick. This, where they're kind of up, or you're sticking them down like this, to where they're pointing down. That's due to early and late release. So if it sticks up, throw it and it sticks up, you're releasing a little too late. If you throw it and it sticks the opposite direction down, then you're throwing it too early. You're releasing it too early. You got to find that happy medium in between to where it throws and it's almost sticking back directly at you. once you get one distance down, you can start working on accuracy. And my tip for that is generally I'm throwing 3 knives at one time, so I'll just do different combinations. Like I'll do a triangle, or I'll do a straight line across, like, you know, starting from right to left, or I'll go from top to bottom. Try to work on my accuracy a little bit by throwing one at the bottom, one at the top, and one kind of in the middle. Like so. You try different combinations like that, and I hope it works for you. Hopefully this video helps you out, and happy throwing.